Hi guys, this side Simi Pulsha. Today I'm going to discuss difference between EPF and PPF. Point number one, this scheme is for salaried people, and for PPF it can be for individual and HF. Point number two, rate of return for EPF is around 8% and PPF it's around 7%. Point number three, who can invest? In EPF only salaried can invest, and in PPF any individual HF can invest. Point number four, is there any employer contribution? Yes, in EPF there is an employer contribution. In PPF, employer does not contribute. Point number five, lock-in period for EPF it's 5 years, for PPF it's 15 years. Tax benefits available for both. Tax on maturity for PPF after 15 years is exempt. EPF after 5 years is exempt. Can I take loan? Yes, loan can be taken against both the scheme subject to certain condition and within particular duration only. And who offer this scheme? This scheme is offered by Employee Provident Fund Organization, and PPF is offered by Public Sector Bank and Post Office. So please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.